All right, so today we're going to make some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Today we're going to be using Betty Crocker mix instead of doing anything else. I like that the best. So we're going to start by adding just a little bit of oil. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm going to put a little bit extra just to make sure I got it. Then I'm going to stir this up a little, make it look real good. Add my egg and stir it up a little more. Don't forget the water. There's 1 tablespoon of water, not a whole lot. And I'm gonna mix it up really good. Just mix it up until it all clumps up, and then I'm gonna start adding my chocolate chips. I'm gonna add a lot of chocolate chips. I like a lot of chocolate chips in my peanut butter cookies, so there we go. Make it the way you like it, right? So we're gonna mix it up really good into a nice good old clump here, where all the ingredients seem to be mixed together. And then we're going to cook it at 450 degrees for about almost 15 minutes, not quite. And there we go. Peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. I like using the paper because the paper helps it from sticking, and it's an easy cleanup. Take the paper off the thing just by sliding it right over. And there we go. And I can make my next batch just the same way. So again, I like using the paper because the paper keeps it from sticking. And you see here, no sticking whatsoever. Slide around. So we put our cookies on the plate. Easy cleanup. And there you go. Peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Life after 30, cooking edition.